Hello everyone, as it is Diwali and Ye Dil Mange More. Here's another crazily easy video for you all. Let us make these beautiful candle holders out of soda cans. Remove the plastic that's wrapped to it. Using a cutter, cut and remove the top portion of the can this way. Slit the can even more this way. Roll the top of these vertical slices to the bangle. Once done, apply pressure on the can this way until the slits open. Slip a tea light in, light it, and see the magic. Isn't it mesmerizingly, crazily easy? Don't forget to subscribe for more crazily easy videos. This is your Sue signing off.